Welcome to Agile and addonsmodules.com. This video will serve as an introduction to the Agile membership module. This is an overview of the module and will not go into detail about all features, settings, and configuration. For detailed information and a configuration and setup tutorial, please see our documentation page for this module on our website. Visit addonsmodules.com and click on Support. The membership module is a PrestaShop add-on that will help store owners more effectively manage a membership-based system. It does this by allowing the store owner to set up a membership fee structure, membership duration and expirations, and allowing the creation and designation of member-only content within the store. This module can also be integrated into the Agile Multiple Seller module to allow the creation of seller-based memberships. Before we begin the introduction, let's note just a few of the features this module will add to your store. Membership fee settings for multiple types of membership, membership discount settings for multiple types of membership, membership expiration settings for multiple types of membership, member-only access control for content based on permission settings, membership history, the user can purchase a membership during registration, the user can use a voucher to pay for their membership plan, the module can automatically send email notice of expiration, supports free memberships, complete integration with the Agile Multiple Seller module, and much, much more. In this introduction, we will discuss using the membership module as a standalone product for PrestaShop, as well as briefly showing the integration with Agile Multiple Seller. The ability to use the module in conjunction with Multiple Seller will be discussed in various places throughout this introduction, though the primary focus of this overview will be on the membership module itself. Where necessary, any screens which also have Multiple Seller related information will be noted. Note that we have already installed the Agile membership module in our demonstration store. Module installation is covered in our tutorials found in our documentation section. Once the membership module is installed, the basic module cannot be configured until you have first created membership products. These products will be the actual membership plans, and they must be created before the configuration of the membership module itself can be completed. This is a three-step process. First, we need to create a category for the membership products. We do this by hovering over or clicking on the Catalog tab, then clicking the Categories option. This screen contains your current list of categories in the store. To add the new category for memberships, you would click the Add New button at the top right of the screen. However, for the purposes of this introduction, you can see in this list that we have already created a memberships category. We will click Edit here to see the Category Edit screen and the options which need to be set here, but again, the details for this step can be found in our documentation. Just remember that this category needs to be created as a first step in setting up the module. The Seller option you see at the top of this page relates to the Multiple Seller module and will only be displayed here if the Multiple Seller module is installed. Next, you will need to create the membership products themselves. To do this, hover over or click on the Catalog tab, then click on the Products option. This is your standard product list screen. Before you create your first membership product, you should consider what type of membership plans you want to make available to your store members and how much you want to charge for each available plan. To add a new membership product, you can simply click on the Add New button at the top right of the screen. However, for the purposes of this introduction, you can see in this list that we have already created 3 membership products. Please see the documentation tutorial for more information, though for this introduction we will edit one of the current membership products in the list to briefly show you the available options. On this screen you will see an option for Seller. Please note that this option is only available when the membership module is integrated with the Multiple Seller module. Other product options are similar to standard products in your store, requiring prices, quantities, etc. You can also add as many membership products as required for your needs, and you can add or edit these membership products at any time in the future. Membership products are necessary for the module to function correctly. Next, you will need to create groups for the membership plans. Membership plans can be used for a variety of purposes, including being used for discount percentages. To access groups, hover over or click on the Customers tab, then click on the Groups option. This will display a list of current groups. To add a new group, simply click on the Add New button at the top right of the screen. However, for the purposes of this introduction, you can see in this list that we have already created 3 membership groups which are associated with the related membership products. To briefly show you the available options, we will edit a current membership group. The seller option here relates to the multiple seller module and will not be visible here if the multiple seller module is not installed. If the seller module is installed, the option chosen here should be store shared. Continue to complete the remainder of the group options as needed. For more detailed information, please see our documentation pages on our website. Next, you would need to associate these membership plan products with the membership module and configure the plans themselves. To do this, hover over or click on the Modules tab, then click on the Modules option. Locate the Agile membership module. Under the module name, click on the Configure option. On this screen, you will define the parameters for each of the membership plans you created as products, as well as setting various permissions and options. Note that the membership category is set to the category Memberships, which was created earlier. This is necessary for the module to function correctly. The next section allows you to configure your membership plans or products. You will see listed the membership plan types and the associated fees as set in the membership product registration. You can now set the duration for each membership plan by defining the period, day, week, month, year, and the number of periods for this plan. In our example, the period is a year and the number of periods for this plan is 1. This means that this membership plan will be purchased and renewed annually. You could also choose to create monthly plans where members would be required to renew monthly or, of course, daily or weekly. This choice simply depends on your requirements. Next, you can choose the discount group that will be associated with this plan. These will be chosen from the groups you created earlier in the tutorial. Discounts are optional, and it is not mandatory that you give any particular group a discount. The max listing column on the right relates to the multiple seller module and is only displayed on this page if the multiple seller module is installed. These options allow you to specify a maximum number of products a seller or member can list in the store at one time. You can see that memberships can be forced. In other words, you may allow members in your store without forcing them to have a membership, or you can force the system to automatically add a membership product or plan to the cart of anyone logging into the store who doesn't currently have a membership. They would, of course, still need to check out and purchase the membership plan. When membership is forced, the lowest cost membership plan is placed automatically in the user's cart by default. The next option is for those store owners who have installed and wish to integrate the Agile multiple seller module. This option allows the integration of the multiple seller system and the membership system. If you choose to integrate the multiple seller and membership modules, you will then be able to set the maximum number of products a seller or member can list under any given plan. This is a very convenient way to create multiple levels of seller plans. The next option allows you to specify where and if you want to display the membership block. You may place it in the left column, right column, or choose not to display it at all. You may also adjust the block's position from the Modules Positions option in the back office. The next section of this page allows you to designate member-only pages, categories, and products. You may select member-only pages, member-only CMS pages, member-only categories, and/or member-only products. Products are specified by product ID, and this option should only be used for a small number of products. In this way, you can limit access to any page, category, or product to only registered members who have purchased a membership plan. And finally, you may specify the number of days before membership expiration in which a reminder email will be sent to members. This email will remind them that their membership is about to expire and give them a link to renew their membership plan. You may specify multiple times for which an email will be sent to members. Once you have created your category, products, and groups and configured the membership module itself, your system is ready to accept members. For the purposes of this introduction, we will show you a brief example where a customer wishes to become a member at the store and the store owner has not forced membership. For a visitor to become a member at the store, they must first register as a customer. They do this by clicking the login option on the storefront, then continuing the normal registration process. Once the visitor has registered as a customer, they will be able to access their My Account screen but are not yet a member. In the Categories block on the home page, you will see the category you created earlier for memberships. Clicking on the Memberships category displays a page with all membership plans listed. Remember that free memberships can only be purchased once by a customer. When a customer purchases a membership plan, even a free membership, the plan will be added to their shopping cart and the customer can check out normally. Clicking on the Add to Cart button will place that plan in the shopping cart, and the customer can now continue through the checkout process, and on completion of payment, if this is a paid membership, become an active member with all privileges in the store afforded to them by the membership plan they have chosen. Lastly, we will show you two informational screens. This page displays all relevant membership information to the seller in their Account section, including their current membership activation date, expiration date, and their membership history. This screen can be viewed by the store admin in the back office from the Customers tab, Memberships option. All current and historical seller membership information can be viewed here by the store admin. And again, see our documentation pages for full details in the actual tutorial for setting up and managing the Agile membership system. There are many variables in the configuration of the membership module, whether used as a standalone module or integrated into the Agile multiple seller module. Please see our website for more information, and remember, you can contact us with any questions you may have, or you can visit our forums. This concludes our introduction to the Agile membership module. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And thank you for choosing Agile and addonsmodules.com.